Good morning, Mr. Beardsley.
Good morning.
Can you please provide your name and spell your last name?
Bruce Beardsley, B-E-A-R-D-S-L-E-Y.
Okay. Approximately how many times have you been retained as an expert?
20.
And of those times, how many have resulted in your deposition being taken?
4.
Of those times that you've been retained, can you estimate approximately how many have been for the plaintiff versus for the defendant?
75% for the defense.
So, what is your understanding of the scope of your designation?
I was retained by the defense attorney to represent the individual that's being sued by the injured worker.
Have you formulated any opinions in this matter?
I have.
And can you give me a brief overview of what your opinions are?
Certainly. In my experience, most accidents on the job site occur with an unsafe act or an unsafe condition. In this particular case, the injured worker created an unsafe act to create his own injury.
What task did you perform to formulate these opinions?
Okay. Most of my cases are 2 to 3 years old by the time they actually get to court. So most of my information comes from reading the transcripts, reading the depositions, interviewing as many people as I can, but in this case, being 3 years old, there was no one to interview. We did have the opportunity to go back out to where the accident actually occurred to see exactly what the situation was. And in looking at it, it was very apparent to me that the injured worker created an unsafe act by inserting a metal ruler into an energized electrical panel. And that's what caused the accident, and he created that situation by himself.
What do you believe qualifies you to provide these opinions?
I'm a certified safety professional. There's only about 12,000 of us, and so it's an extremely difficult designation to get. An ARM, Associated Risk Manager. I've been in the insurance field for the last 25 years. I'm also a CFCL, Certified Forensic Legislative Consultant for the Forensic Witness Association. All of these factors, have brought me to the knowledge level that I currently have. I've been working in the construction field exclusively for the last 20 years. And in that process, I was responsible for the administration, monitoring the claims, and most importantly, the safety on the job sites for all my construction projects. And we had over $1.4 billion worth of work while I was working for the broker that I was working for.